Hi, amazing people. Welcome and welcome back. Thank you for coming today. How are you all doing? I believe you're doing well. In today's menu, guys, we have Ogbono soup to cook. If you'd like to see how I made this soup, please continue watching. In a pot, I'll go ahead to add the proteins I'll be using to cook this soup. And I've just added some boneless cow food and some abode. I'll be using some goat meat as well. Then I will season my proteins with some onions, some pepper, and iru. Then I'll add some crayfish and I will add some seasoning cubes and salt. Then I'll go on to cover and cook. I'll be using hot water to cook my proteins because I needed to quicken the cooking process of these proteins. So I've just added some hot water. Then I'll go ahead to cover and start cooking. 15 to 20 minutes later, I'll go ahead to take out the goat meat. Then I'll go ahead to dry this in the air fryer for another 10 to 15 minutes. Why I'm doing this is because I don't like my beef or my goat meat to be soggy in the soup. So I always like to dry it a bit in the air fryer or in the oven before introducing it back to the rest of the proteins. So I'll go ahead to take it out then I'll cover the rest of the meat to continue cooking. In a different pot, I'll go ahead to add the palm oil that I'll be using to dissolve the ogbono. Please, while doing this, your oil is not supposed to be too hot. My pot was too hot. That was why you are seeing the flame you are seeing here. We are not frying the ogbono. We are just meant to dissolve the ogbono with the palm oil. So I'll go ahead and while doing this, make sure that your heat is on a very low heat. So you continue to dissolve, add water at a time. If you are using water or if you are using your meat stock, just add a little bit at a time, then continue to dissolve until the ogbono has no lumps again. So at this point, my ogbono is well dissolved and my proteins are perfectly cooked and tender. So I'll go ahead to add a bit more crayfish and I'll introduce back the goat meat. So once I add the goat meat, you can at this point add more seasoning cubes if you desire, and you can add more salt. Just test for seasoning and adjust at this point. But for me, I'm not adding any other thing because my proteins were seasoned well before cooking them, so I'm not adding any other thing. So I've just added the ogbono and I'll go ahead to mix them together and make sure that they are well combined. Then I will as well add more water if I desire at this point. If you like your ogbono soup to be thick or to be a bit light, you can, this is the time for you to adjust. Then I'll cover and make sure that I cook for at least 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, I'll go ahead to add the vegetables, and I'm making use of spinach. You can make use of any vegetable of your choice, and then I'll allow this to simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes, and our soup is ready. You can enjoy this soup with any swallow of your choice. And thank you so much for watching. If you have watched to this very point, I do appreciate. And if you are new to my channel, thank you once again for coming, and please do well to subscribe to the channel and turn your bell on to get notified each time I upload a new video. And please do not forget to like the video and share if you can, and give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one. Thank you once again and have a blessed day. Bye.